Hello, my friends in estate. I just want to give gratitude to my team members for making this happen for our team. We have so far closed 62 deals in the estate platform, and we have total team contribution up to 10.7k, so which is great considering the time of the year that I joined and the effort so far that our team members has been making over this short period of time. So this is a great achievement, to be honest, but it's not just going to end here. We are going to keep growing on a daily basis, making sure that people are aware of the opportunity that is right in front of them, and the estate is presenting this great opportunity as well to everybody. So this is a great achievement. As you can see from here, this is the real estate deals that has been closed, 62, and we have about 10.7k total agent sales so far that we have done in our platform. So this, to me, is a great achievement, but it's not just going to end here, guys. Remember what I have been telling you guys about the tokenization of property in estate. For those of you that are not quite familiar with the word tokenization, probably the best thing to do is to just Google it, right? When you Google it, you will see the meaning of tokenization, and of course you will also see the impact that it is making in the real world. For example, if you Google it right now, you are going to see this information, right? This is the definition of tokenization. It's the process of replacing sensitive data with a non-sensitive equivalent, which is like a token, right? Which is what estate is actually doing, okay, for security, or breaking down text/data into smaller units, which is tokens. Again, okay, they are always, pointing all the definition to tokens for processing, especially in AI, or representing real world asset digitally on a blockchain. So that bit that says representing real world assets digitally on a blockchain, that is where estate fits in, right, in this definition. So yeah, in terms of finance and blockchain, you will notice that asset tokenization, which is exactly what estate is doing, is creating digital tokens on a blockchain that represents ownership of a real world assets. Okay, how does it work? It issues digital tokens that act as a share or fractions of an asset like real estate, art, or stocks, right? So guys, this is great. Why is it used? It increases liquidity, accessibility, and fractional ownership for traditionally illiquid asset. So comparing, okay, tokenized properties with traditional properties, that is the difference between estate and the traditional real estate. So guys, this is the opportunity that is in front of us right here. When you register with the link below this video description, you will notice that you have access to this page where they have the profit calculator, and right here you have a selection of properties, so you can choose which of these properties, tokenized properties, that you want to purchase a fraction of it, just like what the definition of tokenization has already explained to you, that you are going to be getting fractions of it. So you want to purchase a fraction of one of these real estate. Now we have available the Miami apartment, which you as an individual can start with just $10 if you wish to start with $10. However, I don't recommend you start with $10. I recommend you start with a higher amount so that you will earn a better daily return on your fractional real estate that you have purchased. For example, this apartment in Seattle, this has been sold out as well, okay, just now. But of course, you have other options like the lake house. You can start this one with just $250, and you can also start the next one, the house property, with just $480. There are other ones like the villa that you can actually start with $3,120. This property is going to be giving you on a daily basis up to $19 per day, right, if you invest. and purchase a fraction of this tokenized real estate. So guys, this is good for us. It is good for anybody that is interested in real estate, but you don't have the huge deposit to get started with in terms of the traditional real estate. You can just get plugged in into e-estate and you get everything sorted for you. Everything is automated. You receive your profit Mondays to Fridays, and then you can also make your withdrawals Mondays to Fridays. Even Saturdays you can make your withdrawals at the end of the week if you wish to make your withdrawal on Saturdays and Sundays, with a choice of 10 different cryptocurrencies that they have for the withdrawal method. So guys, this is a great opportunity. I just thought I should share the great achievement that we have made so far, and we are still looking to continue to grow our portfolio and grow our total team contribution, and then thereby increase the liquidity that e-estate have and purchase more fractional real estate. So if you would like to join my team in e-estate, the link to do so is below this video description. I look forward to seeing you in my team. Thank you and God bless.